Hi everybody, Tim Lankish here from CAE Services. This is an interesting part. It's got a very tight corner inside this geometry here, and we're trying to fix the cooling of that area. So the original cooling that we ran on this showed a very hot spot in that tight corner there. And the first thing we tried to do is to add some baffles. Those baffles were, as you can see, brought the temperature down from 244 down to 223, but we figured that probably wasn't enough. In looking at this, we were right. So 1.5 millimeters of warp down to 1 millimeter of warp was an improvement, but not where we wanted to be. We wanted to make it flatter. So one of the things we came up with was to go with a MoldMax insert. In this case, it was a MoldMax slide. So by introducing MoldMax, we were able to take more heat out of it. And from the original, with no MoldMax and with baffles, we went from 223 degrees down to 153 degrees. So now we're really cooking here, so to speak. And as you can see with the warpage, from the original 1.5 millimeters of warpage, we actually got it to warp in the opposite direction. But in this case, it was acceptable, just about 1/4 millimeter warp. So you can see kind of the evolution of how we approach things in mold flow analysis by trying different ways to improve cooling, and then we can land on what ultimately is the best cooling design. So not only will it improve your cycle times, but it's going to help your warpage. So join us on the next webinar. So we hope to see you there.